still remember how it used to be. Holding hands round.
MD here. Have you ever? United States of America, planet Earth, Mars, Venus, the moon. If you can hear me, I want to introduce you, for all those who don't know, the solar impulse. You can look it up on YouTube, okay? You might not get the classified one from the Air Force, but you'll get something similar to the one I created. Okay, right now we're making the second version, all right? Still being made. I'm trying to break my own record. My record with the solar impulse is the manless airplane that can fly 6 months without service, okay? It's a satellite remote control through the United States Air Force, the Marine Corps. So, with all due respect, I, Michael R. D'Alvarado, United States Specialist, am ordering humbly, honorably, truthfully, heroically, I'm going to take the lie detector test and challenge anyone on this. I'll challenge anyone that breathes if you try to steal this research. I'll prosecute you and give you life in prison. It'll be my honor. Just a federal courthouse away. That's all. I'm Michael D'Alvarado, the inventor of the solar impulse. I want to request the research of the waterfall and springs throughout the world with the solar impulse. What we're going to do with the research? Easy. You get to drink water. How about that? Hey man, anybody thirsty? It's a hot summer. Man, you got any ice cold water? Sure. Here in the state of Nevada, we don't charge for water, by the way. Only if it's bottled, of course. You have the right to drink water. We don't charge for that here in the state of Nevada. Whoever charges a person for water here in the state of Nevada is a murderer. Plain and simple. It's a murderer. Okay. Because it's 115 degrees out here. You don't give water to a person here in the state of Nevada, it's an attempt of murder. It's free. So, for the love of Christ, what the Solar Impulse is going to do, thanks to our heroic men that we pay for, and women, of course, that pilot the Solar Impulse, is they're going to research waterfalls of all types, springs, if it's available, okay? And then with the government approval and the taxpayer votes and approval, of course, we'll try to build a facility in every waterfall. Okay. Yes, we got to get government and country permissions, and those lands that are manless are world free. That means there's no owner. Whoever shows up and builds owns. Okay. So that's how the game is. There will be no war. 0% war on that. Okay? I beg you, don't war over the water. Well, the research is off. Okay, so remember, united we stand. World united is even better. Okay, so Solar Impulse will do the research, okay, thanks to my technology and my service people. once the spring or waterfall is found, we'll build the research and reservoirs and we might as well reverse osmosis the thing right there and then. And then we just transport the water to countries around the world. Okay? And that's how we're gonna save people's lives. Anybody thirsty? I am. God bless the United States of America. And remember, try your best to speak the truth and not to give a false, not to break the 10th commandment, man, okay? I'm trying my best not to do it. All right, please don't try to set me up and kidnap me here in my state, because I'll just leave the country and protect it from another country. All right, I'm not your slave. I'm free, and I'll destroy you if you lie about me to a courthouse. Born and raised here in the state of Nevada, I am literal. And I don't mean I'm literal about what I say. God bless the United States of America. With all due respect, let's try to live and be happy, okay? Thank you very much. I confirm heroically and state the truth of what I just said, April 28th, 2020, from the state of Nevada, battle born. My name is Michael R.D. Alvarado. United we stand. Thank you.